In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with Pipedrive CRM in just a few minutes so you can begin managing your sales process with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Pipedrive CRM. Open the official website and click on Try for free. You can sign up using your email address or continue with your Google account. Create a secure password and verify your email to complete the sign up. Once inside, Pipedrive will guide you through quick onboarding. Enter your name, job role, and company details such as business name, size, and industry. You'll also be asked about your primary goal, whether it's managing leads, closing deals, or improving sales visibility. This helps customize your dashboard. After setup, head straight to the Deals section. This is your sales pipeline. Customize pipeline stages to match your workflow, like qualified, contact made, proposal sent, or negotiation. You can also add custom fields if you want to track specific deal details. If you already have contacts or deals in a spreadsheet, import them directly to save time. Next, connect your email by going to Settings and enabling email sync with Gmail or Outlook. You can also sync your calendar so meetings and calls appear inside your CRM. To start tracking sales, click Add Deal, fill in the contact, deal value, and expected close date. Then move deals through stages using simple drag and drop. You can schedule activities like calls, emails, or meetings and mark them complete as you go. Finally, use Pipedrive's dashboards and reports to monitor performance and stay on top of your sales progress. And that's it. You're now fully set up and ready to use Pipedrive CRM effectively.